fun. He's like, oh my gosh, I want to go chase sheep.
Do you want to chase the sheep? Is it your turn?
It should be your turn, should it be?
Just one time. I just want to take him around one time.
Oh my gosh, that is so funny.
You'll be only going to spend 75. You should get after him.
Does he do that all the time?